Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best AC recharge kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain a comfortable driving experience, especially during scorching summer days when a malfunctioning air conditioning system can turn your vehicle into an oven on wheels. This kit offers a straightforward and cost-effective solution for DIY enthusiasts and those seeking to avoid expensive professional repairs, empowering you to take control of your car's climate with confidence and ease, ensuring cool air flows freely whenever you need it most. Number 5. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. This unit offers powerful cooling with 8000 BTU, perfect for rooms up to 215 square feet. Enjoy fast and effective temperature control wherever you need it most. Designed with your convenience in mind, this portable air conditioner is lightweight and features rolling wheels. Easily move it from your bedroom to your living room or even your garage. This versatile unit offers 3 operating modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. It automatically starts in cooling mode, providing instant comfort. You can also select dehumidifier mode to reduce humidity and create a healthier environment. Manage your comfort effortlessly with the digital touch control panel or the included remote control. Adjust temperature, fan speed, and modes without leaving your seat. Experience powerful cooling without the disturbance. This unit operates at a quiet 55 to 57 dBA, ensuring a peaceful environment while delivering efficient airflow and moisture removal. Set your ideal comfort level with adjustable temperature ranges from 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and multiple fan speeds. It also includes a handy window exhaust kit for simple setup. What we like. This unit offers incredible versatility with its cooling, dehumidifier, and fan modes. It's perfect for those who need a flexible cooling solution for various rooms or spaces. If you're looking for a portable option that also tackles humidity, this is the one for you. What people say. It was a perfect fit for my 2003 Toyota Camry. The product worked exactly as described and was easy to use. I was able to recharge my car's AC system in under 10 minutes. Number 4. InterDynamics AC Pro Recharge Gauge and Dispenser. Introducing the InterDynamics AC Pro Recharge Gauge and Dispenser. Its extra-large, easy-to-read gauge ensures accurate charging for your vehicle's air conditioning system. The 24-inch charging hose provides ample length, making it easy to reach even difficult-to-access AC ports. Featuring a push-on quick-connect coupler, connecting the refrigerant hose is a breeze. This allows for a secure and simple attachment every time. The trigger dispenser is designed for effortless recharging. Simply pull the trigger for easy and controlled release of refrigerant. This tool is compatible with both sealed and self-sealing cans of R134A refrigerant. Get your car's AC back to optimal performance with ease. What we like. This tool provides a straightforward and accurate way to recharge your car's AC. Its large gauge ensures you get the pressure just right, and the long hose makes it easy to reach the port. If you're a DIY car owner who wants a reliable and user-friendly gauge for R134A systems, this is a great choice. What people say. The product worked as expected and was easy to use. It was a great value for the money and performed well. I was impressed with the quality of the product and its performance. Number 3. Airtek AC Dual Fully Automatic R134A HFO 1234YF Machine. Introducing the Airtek AC Dual, a fully automatic machine designed for HVAC automotive recovery and recharge. It handles both R134A and HFO 1234YF refrigerants with ease. Experience true automation. Simply enter the required information and let it do the work. This machine allows you to focus on other tasks while it efficiently services vehicles. Achieve a remarkable 95% recovery rate with this versatile unit. It's designed to service all domestic and foreign vehicles, including electric and hybrid models. It intelligently injects oil for non-EV and hybrid vehicles, utilizing software control to ensure the correct oil type is used, preventing potential damage. Switching between R134A and HFO 1234YF systems has never been faster. Transition between refrigerants in just 10 minutes, maximizing your shop's productivity. Equipped with 2 separate refrigerant tanks, one for R134A and one for HFO1234YF, it ensures a clean and efficient workflow for both types of systems. Count on reliable, local professional customer support. Reach us via phone or live chat 7 days a week for any assistance you may need. What we like. This machine is designed for professionals who service a wide range of vehicles, including electric and hybrid models. Its fully automatic operation and quick switching between R134 and HFO1234YF refrigerants save significant time. If you're a mechanic or shop owner needing a high-efficiency, versatile, and modern AC service machine, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The product is easy to use and the gauge is accurate. It worked perfectly and the AC is blowing cold air again. The hose is long enough to reach the low-pressure port easily. Number 2. AC Pro Certified R134A Recharge Kit. Tired of a warm car? This kit makes recharging your car's air conditioning simple and effective. Get cool air back in no time. Designed specifically for R134A refrigerant, it works seamlessly with self-sealing valve cans. Ensure a proper and safe recharge every time. This comprehensive kit includes a reusable R134A hose and a convenient can-tap dispenser. Everything you need is right here. The 8-inch hose features a 90-degree coupler, allowing easy access to ports even in tight or awkward positions. No more struggling to connect. Engineered for optimal performance and compliance, it's built to work exclusively with R134A cans featuring self-sealing valve tops. Trust in its reliable design. Don't let a hot car ruin your drive. With this easy-to-use kit, you can quickly restore your air conditioning's performance and enjoy a comfortable ride. What we like. This kit is ideal for quick and easy R134A top-ups in tight spaces. The 90-degree coupler is a lifesaver for hard-to-reach ports. If you're a car owner who needs a simple, compact, and effective solution for maintaining your R134A AC system, this is a convenient option. What people say. The product works great and is easy to use. It was a quick and simple process to recharge the AC. The instructions were clear and the kit had everything needed. Number 1. AC Pro Easy Chill R134A Refrigerant Gauge and Hose. Introducing the Easy Chill R134A Gauge and Hose, designed to make recharging your car's AC simple. It's the perfect tool for keeping your vehicle cool. The large, easy-to-read gauge provides accurate pressure readings. This lets you know exactly when it's time to add more refrigerant. Recharging your car's refrigerant is a breeze with the trigger-style dispenser and convenient thumb lever. It's designed for a hassle-free experience. Even in tight engine compartments, the 90-degree coupler ensures you can easily access the necessary ports. This makes the job much more manageable. This tool is compatible with any R134A auto refrigerant can. You can be confident it will work with the refrigerant you have on hand. To use, simply start your engine, turn on the air conditioner, and locate the low-pressure port. Recharging your AC is now straightforward. What we like. This gauge and hose combo makes recharging your car's AC incredibly simple, even for beginners. The large gauge provides clear readings, and the 90-degree coupler ensures easy access to the low-pressure port. If you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly way to recharge your R134A AC system yourself, this is a fantastic starter kit. What people say. The AC system was completely empty, and this recharge kit had everything needed to get it blowing cold again. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for someone who isn't a mechanic. It was a simple and straightforward process to recharge the AC system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.